Hi, I'm Precious Wilson, and I am a singer and performer. As the lead singer with the group Eruption, two of my biggest hits are I Can't Stand the Rain and One Way Ticket. My body of work as a solo singer includes projects and contributions um, with such artists and movie stars as Michael Douglas from the movie The Jewel of the Nile, and James Brown, Sir Paul McCartney, Sir Elton John, um, to name just a few. Now, the reason why I'm making this testimonial is because I want you to know about my amazing experience working with Tracy Repchuk. I've recently done an online program called Your $1,000,000 Design. For short, it's YMDD. Now, this is a 12-week online program which I signed up for because, I wanted to work with the best person possible who could help me for my career pivot into a new business. Now, before working with Tracy Repchuk, I only had like a vague idea of what I wanted to do. I had no product and the service wasn't really up and running. And I also had three major problems, right? Okay, so the first big problem was that I had a deep-seated resistance to sales, otherwise known as fear of selling. And this obviously, when you've got an online business, is a huge problem. If you're afraid of selling and if you really want your business to be successful. And the reason for that is because, as an artist, I never really had to do any selling. It was always the guys from some department in the record company. It was never me. All I could do was just stay in my comfort zone and really focus on the creativity as a singer and just be an artist. And there were other things as well. Life gets in the way. I was touring, I was writing songs, I was, managing my team, and the actual steps for getting my business online was, not happening. The second thing that was a problem before I met Tracy was that I was doing my own thing, in my own time, and obviously there was no accountability. There's no one there to report to, no one watching over to make sure I was doing the work. And problem number 3 is that I'm a bit of a perfectionist. Yes. And that, along with the fear of selling, got to the point of obsession. Therefore, it all resulted in just above 0 progress. Now, these combo problems were solved having done this program, the YMDD program. Because after doing that program, I am reaping the benefits. When I say reaping, I'm serious. Tracy has helped me to get over myself, to get out of my own way, and she explains that, look, it doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to get going. Get going, for heaven's sake, I love one of her comments that she made, which is one of my favorite quotes, which basically is, don't wait for perfection. So I've made huge strides, I have to say, even if I do say it myself, huge strides. I'm implementing all the things that I've learned. I've learned to communicate my expertise so that in my business, I'm now able to help the next generation of aspiring singers and all those people with talent and skills who want to bring their voice out to the world. The program taught me how to design my program, how to sell it, how to deliver it, and just how to get it out there into the world, and how to present what I have to offer in an irresistible way. That's important. Tracy has a gift of giving you clarity, which has helped me to create my one sheet, which, funny you should mention that. I just so happen to have a copy of it here. From this one sheet, I've created my 6 modules for my program, which is called Star Maker. Star Maker is about 6 fundamental steps, which I believe can get a singer started on their path to creating a successful singing career in the music industry. Now, the thing about this program, Your $1 Million Design, is that once you sign up, you get the wonderful bonus of being in a fabulous Facebook group. This group is full of people who are like-minded like yourself, inspiring, and they're there to motivate you, and they're there to celebrate your successes. My online program, Star Maker, is actually about to be launched. So check it out at singingcareersuccess.com. That's singingcareersuccess.com. And if you wanted to know a bit more about me, well, just go to preciouswilson.com. Did I forget to say my name? Yeah, my name is Precious Wilson. Duh. Okay, now do you remember I was talking about I had this obsession, right? And you know, almost having a breakdown about selling and about being perfect. Well, I now have a crystal clear, totally crystal clear with the help of Tracy. She has this session that she can do with you called Parity Twins. Well, that's worked miracles for me because I'm crystal clear now that what I have to give the world is worth it. And that actually, if I don't offer it to the world, I'm actually depriving a lot of people from over 4 decades of experience that I've had as a singer, as an entertainer, as a pre-internet artist. You know, and what I have to offer is just bringing together the old school, how it was as an artist, how you had to perfect your performance, to the new age of technology that we now have. And since the advent of the internet, the whole music industry has changed, almost unrecognizable, the impact that it has. And you know, Tracy's helped me to realize that not a lot of people have my experience, you know, of sustaining a singing career for all these years. And by me not sharing that, it actually sounds crazy, you know. So don't worry about the perfection of now building a business online, Precious, which is basically what she's saying. Don't worry about the perfection. Just get going, get started, share, give to the world. Help people to bring out what's within them, their talents, to make the world a better place. You know, get the world to sing along in harmony and all of that, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, I've decided to stop depriving the world and just get on with it. Share my skills and expertise so that people out there can also do the same and build their own career. Also, since I've done the program, I just want you to say this. I do talk a lot, I apologize, but I've just got to get this out there. Since I've done Tracy's program, I've been approached by organizations who work with young people from disadvantaged backgrounds. And I'm also planning to do joint ventures with schools for all those young, talented, aspiring singers. I'm excited, so excited to be able to be of help. And last but not least, I am soon to be a published author. Oh yes! And none of that would have happened without Tracy's help and her coaching me and her assistance. Wow. And funny enough, since this book, I've also been approached by 2 other opportunities to contribute to 2 more books, plus my autobiography later in the year. But I mean, it's amazing how, you know, once you get the right help, the universe just opens up a floodgate of things along your journey that helps you to move forward towards your goal. And I can't tell you how excited I am. All right, so I'm going to stop talking shortly. I just have to tell you two more things, right? Two more things before I go off to work on my business, not in my business. Quote from Tracy. All right, so number one, for me, 12 weeks was just not enough, right? I wanted a fully branded presence online. I really want to reach millions of people. So that's why I am a platinum member with Tracy's mentoring program. I've got help with my landing page, my website, my branding. So just go to the www.thevocaltouch.com and you can see how much further Tracy is able to help you with your business. And the last thing I wanted to say is that Tracy really wants you to succeed, all right? And she gives you everything that you need to achieve that goal and to do just that. And that is why I truly recommend Tracy Repchuk. Thank you, Tracy.